Okay, guys, welcome to this channel once again. Okay, so now here we are about the means of making money online. As I told you guys earlier on, this is one of the means we're going to use how you can promote any kind of social media account, either followers, likes, comments, streaming, any kind of it. Okay, so today we are going to use this website called Promoted. Okay, PR Moted. This is the site you are going to use. So the first thing you come is when you come, you sign up. Okay, you sign up over here. Already I've signed in, so I'm going to log in. Okay, I'm going to log in. So now I've logged in successfully. Okay, and when you log into the account, this is how your dashboard looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. But before you can use this site, you have to make sure you deposit on the platform. Okay, but let me take you through how you can place your order. So you click here, follow where I click and do what I do. Okay, you click here, then you go to place order. Okay, so before you place an order for a client, I want to be quick with this. Before you place an order for a client, what you need to do is you get the client link, social media account link. Okay, so when the person gives you the account link, you come here, the link, then you paste the link. Okay, that's my Instagram account. I'll take you back to my Instagram. I want to demonstrate to you how meaningful this is to help you make cool money. Okay, even if you are making 5 cities, 10 cities, imagine you do this to 10 people within a day, you are making 100 cities. Okay, so take this thing very serious. So imagine I want to buy Instagram followers. Okay, so when you click on the categories, it brings you here. We have Instagram likes, promotions, music, website traffic, special offers. You have free cheap services. We have Facebook, Twitter. We have anything, all the social media, SoundCloud, Spotify, TikTok. Are you getting it? Okay, so these are what you have. We have Instagram followers. Then you come to other services. Okay, other services for 5,000 followers. That's 5k. That will cost you 120 followers, 120 Ghana cedis. So if you take this money, the system is going to charge you. Let's say you add your own 20 cedis to it, so making 140 cedis. Cool. So if the person wants to make 1k followers, you just divide it. Okay. So let me go for 1k and show you what the system does. Now this is designed for 5k. Okay, it's designed for 5k. So you I'll show you another means. Okay, meaning this one you can edit it. Okay, there are other means you can edit the number of quantity you want. Okay, but here it seems we can't edit the quantity we want. So let me go back to cheap services. Okay, let me go back to cheap services. Instagram followers. Here we are. Okay, this was packages. Okay, so now let's go back to Instagram followers. Instagram followers, and we want followers. Okay, organic followers. So super cheap will cost you 29 cedis. Imagine you are selling this 35 cedis. You are making a cool 6 cedis from it. Okay. And we have the foreign followers. And we have the organic. Okay, you look through. The organic is 210. Okay. 210 Ghana cedis. That is organic, Nigeria and Ghanaian. This is local followers. Okay. So if the person wants cheap followers, you can just come here. Then you select it. Then you put the quantity. Okay. Let's say 1k. Say 1k, that's 1k. So imagine I select the service, I select it to be foreign followers. Okay, foreign followers, and the quantity I make it 500. You see, I'm going to pay 7 cedis 50 pesos. So do you get the trick? So even if your client says, oh, I can't afford this, you can cut down. Oh, what about 500? Yeah, because see your business, you need to boost your business and you need a lot of followers to help promote your social media account. So the person you cut down, you make that cool deal, you come here, then you process it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm taking you to my Instagram account. Okay, I want to show you everything from scratch. This is one of my Instagram accounts I opened recently. Okay, so if you check the followers here, the followers are 65. Okay, I've copied my Instagram link already, so I'm going to the place. I'm using this thing to show you guys how meaningful this is. So now let me go back to my dashboard. I don't have any money in my dashboard, so what I'll do is I'll deposit some cool cash here. Okay, so you come to add fund. The add fund, the minimum you can add should be 20 cedis. Okay, so I'm going ahead to add 25 cedis. I want to show you guys how meaningful this is. Okay, when you deposit any money into this account, you can't withdraw it, so get it straight. When you are depositing the money into this account, know that you are depositing money into this account that you can withdraw. Okay, this is very lovely. Okay, you are using a service to render a service to make your cool cash, so you don't need to stress yourself. Okay, as this thing is loading, if you like this video and you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications. Okay, so before the year ends, I'll bring you different means you can make money online. So we talk about 5 means in a WhatsApp group. Okay, 5 means, and this is one of the easiest means you can use to make money. What is wrong with the network? What is wrong with the network? Doing something and the network is not going through. Okay, so in case you don't know, just visit the previous video. Okay, the previous video before this one, you'll find it useful. So I'm going ahead to pay with my Momo 0544 MTN. So let me go ahead and confirm it. 25 cedis. Registration code have been sent. Registration code have been sent. Okay, it's coming. The code is coming. So I'll just copy the code and paste it here. So now here we are. Okay, payment has been successfully done. Now let's go ahead. Okay, to place some order. Let's go ahead to place some order. Let's go ahead to place some order. So now let's go back to the dashboard and see what you have in there. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. This is the only way you can help this channel grow. Okay, let's help a lot of people know how they can make money legally, okay, without spamming people. Okay, there are lots of means you can make money online, but the best way is find a system that pays. Now you not use it to spam people. This is real life case study. Okay, this is a real case study. Okay, I've used this several and I've made more than 1,000 Ghana cedis from this. Okay, just simply doing this. So I'll leave my WhatsApp link in the description box alone. The strategy I used to market this, just DM me, then I will give you the strategy. You can use the same thing to DM businesses, organizations, people on Instagram, on any kind of social media account to trigger their desire to boost their Instagram account. Okay, WhatsApp accounts, WhatsApp monetization, Facebook, LinkedIn, anything, any social media account you can think of. Okay, so now I'm having a balance of 25 cedis. I'm going to buy a cheap service. So let's go now to place order. Okay, I'm going to place order. If you are buying or you want to use this service, you have to make sure at least you have a good followers. Okay, you can't be selling followers to people whilst you yourself you don't have a follower. Okay, so now let's come here. Instagram, the service, I want a cheap service. Oh, it's 25 cedis. It's 29 cedis, and I've deposited 29. It's no big deal. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and post my group link. In case you don't know how to find your Instagram link, just comment on the description below. Okay, let me look for my Instagram. So here we are. So now I've pasted my group link. Okay, the quantity we want is 1k, but the 1k, the charges is 29 cedis. Then I have to do a top up of 4 cedis. Okay, I want the 1k straight up, so I will pause the video, go back and do this thing and do the top up. Okay guys, so let's take a look at this. Okay, you know, some people will be doing video, then they will just cut it before you realize you are seeing the results. You don't know how they came about with that result. So I want you to take a critical look about the followers I'm having, and I'm going to take a screenshot of it. Okay, so that I post in the WhatsApp group for you all to see. So now I've taken a screenshot. I'm having 65 followers for this particular account. Now let me go back to the less than 20 cedis, so I have to do a top up. Okay, and now I have to make another 20 cedis. You know how I love you guys. This morning I haven't eaten, but you see, it's just by the way. I know I will be selling it. I'll be making good sell for people, so I don't mind depositing like 1,000 Ghana cedis. So far as it's a genuine service, you are good to go. Okay, so now let's go back to it. Instagram followers. Here we are. And I want a cheap service. Okay, that's 1K, and the Instagram link, my Instagram account link is here. Okay, so the quantity I want is 1K, which is 29 Ghana cedis. And I don't have an active order. In case you have placed an active order that have not been filled yet, okay, you have to click here. Yes, I don't have an active order with this link. In case you have it, don't click it. Okay, so now the charge is 29 Ghana cedis. Okay, so the order resume. The description, this is how it looks like. Instant 0 to 3. The speed is 2. Let's say you buy this service for someone within a short period of time. Somebody unfollow the person have to follow up to you, then you do a refill. I'll show you all how you can do a refill in the coming video. Okay, you do a refill. Don't escape this video. Okay, if not, you go back and come back to where exactly you skip it from. So stick to it and watch the video till the end. Okay, so and smash the subscribe button is needed to promote this channel. Okay, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Okay, so now after putting in the quantity, you key in the quantity you want, your Instagram link. Please don't mistake the Instagram link of your client with your own or somebody own. You have to pay it yourself. Okay, it's just by the way. So now we want Instagram followers, and the charge is 29 Ghana cedis. So I'll go ahead and place the order. Okay, so now I'm placing the order. Order has been successfully placed. Okay, order has been successfully placed. So now let's go back here. Orders. Looking for orders. My orders. Okay, this is what I just placed. So you find your order here. Created. Status. It's pending. And then it's not done yet. Okay. So I will pause the video. Wait when it's successful. Then I will add up. I will merge it together. Okay, thank you for watching. Hold on, please smash the subscribe button as I'm waiting for the order to be fulfilled. Okay, so don't forget to share the video, like and comment. Okay, if you appreciate this video. Dial the number on the screen. We are available for all your laptop deals. Okay, we have the best laptops in the whole country and the cheapest deal that you find anywhere. We have fresh in box and also store rejects. Okay, fresh machines. We don't sell very used machines. Okay, 99% neat without any problem. We are located in almost any parts of the region, so just pick up your phone and call us for your laptops or inquiries. We are available to attend to you.